Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Snapchat and make the most out of this fun app. Stick around until the end to learn how to send snaps, chat with friends, and explore all the exciting features. Let's get started. First things first, download the app if you have not already. For this, open the App Store or Google Play Store and in the search bar, type Snapchat and then press enter. And once you see Snapchat app, click on it and now click on install or get button to download the app. And once it is installed, click on open to launch the app. And once you sign up into your account, you will land on the main screen, which is your camera screen. Now let's break down this interface. When you open Snapchat, you will notice three main sections that you can swipe between. The first is camera screen. This is where you will take photos and videos. And also, it is the default screen you see when you open the app. Next we have is chat screen. For this, swipe right from the camera screen to access the chat feature. Here you can send messages, photos and videos to your friends. And the third one is stories and discover screen. For this, swipe left from the camera screen to view your friends' stories, explore content from the publishers and see new trends. Now let's break down the key buttons on the camera screen. The first thing here we have is the big circle. In the center bottom, this button lets you take photos or record videos. On the right of the capture button, you will find filters and lens icon, and you can use this to apply fun filters and lenses to your photos and videos. And then in the top left, we have this Bitmoji or profile icon. You can tap on it to access your profile, add friends, or customize your settings. Next to the profile icon, there is a search icon. This feature lets you search for friends, celebrities, or topics. You can also use it to explore public stories, search for specific Snapchats, or find new people to follow. And then in the top right corner, you will see an icon that looks like a person with a plus sign. And this is where you can see friend requests and notifications. Tap this icon to view your pending friend request. You can either accept or deny these requests from here. It also shows notifications like when someone adds you. And on the left side of the capture button, you will see this memories icon, which looks like a small photo frame. When you tap on this icon, it will take you to your memories, where you can view all the snaps you have saved in the past. From here, you can also revisit old stories or upload a saved photo or video to your current story or chat. Now that you understand the interface, let's start by taking a photo or recording a video. You can tap on this big button and it will capture a photo. And if you want to record a video, then press and hold the capture button to record and release the button when you're done. And once you take a photo or video, you can edit it before sending it to your friends or adding it to your story. Here's how you can do this. After taking the photo, click on this T icon in the top right corner and now you can add text on the photo. You can drag this text to place it anywhere on the screen. You can also add stickers on your photo by clicking on this icon and now you can scroll through or search for emojis or bitmojis and stickers. Now in order to add a sticker, click on it and now you can drag it to position it and resize it with two fingers. And if you want to draw something on your photo, click on the pencil icon in the top right corner and you can also choose different colors from the color slider. And you can swipe left or right after taking a photo to apply color filters or location-based filters. And once your photo or video is ready, click on Save button in order to save this photo. Click on the send arrow in the bottom right corner and you will land on screen like this. Here you can choose friends or groups you want to share your snap. You can also post it to your story by tapping on My Story, and your story will now be visible to all your friends for 24 hours. In Snapchat, you can also send text messages, voice notes, and video chat with friends. In order to chat, swipe right to access the chat screen, click on a friend's name, and then send messages like you would in any other messaging app. And if you want to do a video call, then click on video camera icon in the chat to start a video call with your friend. Now let's talk about the Snap Map. You will notice the row of icons at the bottom of the screen. Each icon serves a different purpose, allowing you to easily navigate the app, so let's go through them one by one. The first icon on the bottom left looks like a location pin, and this is a Snap Map feature. It shows your friend's location if they have shared them, and you can see snaps from people around the world. You can zoom in or out to explore different locations and see even live stories from various events happening globally. And if you want to share your location, you can do so from the map. And the next icon we have is a chat icon. When you click on this icon, it takes you to your chat list. where you can see all your ongoing conversations. You can send text messages, voice notes, photos, and videos to your friends from here. You can also swipe on a friend's chat name to start a conversation quickly or hold down on their name to see more options like video calling or sending an audio message. The third icon in the center is the camera icon, and it is the main feature of Snapchat. And of course, this is where you take pictures and record videos. The fourth icon is Stories. This is where you can view stories from your friends and see popular stories shared by other Snapchat users. And the last icon is Spotlight icon. The Spotlight is a collection of user generated content, like short videos similar to what you might find on TikTok or Instagram Reels. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.